and welcome. Today we're going to go over how to do a parked manual regeneration. So you're driving down the road and you get a message across your screen that says perform parked manual regen. Now when this message comes across your screen, you're going to need to pull over at your earliest convenience at a safe place and set the truck in park and make sure the engine is at idle. Also want to check your surroundings for any objects that could potentially catch fire, because exhaust temperatures could reach over 1,000 degrees. So once the park brake is set and the unit is at idle, from there you're going to see this home screen. At this home screen, we're going to use the left steering wheel interface with the arrows and the OK button in the center, and we're going to toggle left to the truck symbol. From the truck symbol, we have 4 tabs on the left hand side, and we're going to use the down arrow to get to the second tab, which is going to be the diesel particulate filter. Now this unit isn't having any issues, so soot level is good. But in order to request regen, as you can read, to start regen, press OK. Once there, you're going to get a notice screen, and it's going to say to start regeneration, press OK. Once this happens, truck is now going to idle up and going to start the regeneration process. This could take anywhere from 45 minutes up to an hour, depending on how much regen you need to do. Once the regen is complete, the truck will idle back down and you will be free to go along your trip. Hope this helps if this happens to you.